What is up, everybody? So, as you can tell, he got his 2020 Kawasaki KRX 1000.
And one. No.
So today we are going to do a roof, and
it's kind of a pain in the rear. It's not just a simple bolt down roof.
No,
because I have to be difficult with everything.
It's a tinted roof.
It's tinted. You can see through it, but it's the whole thing. You can see through the whole thing. It's not Kawasaki's main roof with the little window in it is permanently back ordered.
Now, who'd you get that from?
Dale's Power Sports.
But who makes it?
Makes who?
The windshield.
Super ATV.
Super ATV.
All the information about the other one being permanently back ordered was from Dale's Power Sports. So if they're wrong, call them, spam them up, whatever.
So, anyways, Super ATV, I'll have a link down below for it. So we're going to go ahead and get started.
Yeah.
So as you can see, there's his roof.
Yeah, it's in
there. Other stuff.
It's in two pieces.
Because it's got a little fold that goes around the cage.
Yeah.
Then, here's some other parts. Yes, we've got other parts we're going to be doing soon. But this gasket right here.
That gasket. And then there's this. This box is the same thing, too.
Okay.
Ignore this box.
So, just so you know, the first step is to take your cleaner. Take like an rubbing alcohol, or a glass cleaner or something. Clean the top of your cage. Well, clean the whole thing. You're already doing it, so might as well. Clean the whole top surface of the cage. Okay? When you're done with that, then you are going to take that stuff and you are going to put that around the whole top.
This goes around the top big square.
Yeah.
And then I believe this little gasket goes
across.
Maybe on the little.
And across. And across.
This one?
You're going to make a complete square of foam. Okay?
The center part.
We'll be right back.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, so.
You got her done, by golly.
So you get a friend or yourself, whatever, and you put the stuff in. There's two rolls.
Some good stuff.
It is very sticky.
I'm very impressed with this.
It's very dense. It's memory foamy. Blake, show them what was left of the two rolls.
Right there. That was it.
That's it. That's all that's left.
We're gonna save this for something.
Yeah, it is. So once you get all this on and around, the next part is positioning these big old clamps. And I assume positioning them, we'll probably have to mock up where the window sits. Not the window, but the roof.
The instructions did say put this foam down before you put the clamps.
Yes.
So
we're following we're following the instructions.
Just set it up there so that we'd see how it's set. We had no idea. Anyways, next step. There's that bar right there, right? Then there's this thin foam tape, and it goes on that bar. So whenever Adam gets this stuff,
it's sticky.
Get your wife.
Got it.
Oh.
Boom!
We can trim if needed.
Here. I'm just set it down like this.
Well, we're gonna get that done, and we'll figure out what the next step is. Alrighty. So, hey, I can see Adam. Set it down on a box so you don't scratch it because you got to peel your laminate off.
Yeah, let the first tree scratch it.
Yeah. Set your metal bar down on the box and with the seal facing upward, and make sure that your roof is facing down because the metal bar goes on the inside, like, yeah, underneath. It doesn't go on top. So the lip points down. Then he's finding us some Allens, because all the bolts are Allens. And we're going to assemble this thing. This is the bottom of the roof. I about said windshield because I can see through it. Brackets on the bottom All the bolts are coming in from the top to the bottom. Nuts are on the back. Do not use power tools. Use hand tools. That way you don't break it. And let's go through this thing. Oh no, we got to put what are those?
Well, those brackets have grommets that we got to stick through these holes first.
Okay, let's do that. On the we got to put all those in now, everywhere, and they come like the mounts, clamps come assembled. So then we got to try to pry all these in everywhere. So we'll go ahead and get that done when we figure it out.
Yeah, figure it out.
Yeah.
When you put the grommet in, there is this metal sleeve. Pull the metal sleeve out.
Makes it a lot easier.
Yeah, and then reinsert metal sleeve.
Repeat.
Repeat process 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more times.
Yep. Okay, so we got all those in. Now, Adam is over there. Adam, what mounts?
A lot of mounts.
A lot of mounts.
Just everywhere there's mounts.
Where do they go?
Small ones. So there's these weird these ones shaped a little funnier, and then these ones that are shaped a little more round. This is the big one. They go on the sides. This is a small one. They go in the front and the back.
How many go on the front? How many go on the sides?
2 and 2.
How many?
And it's, on the sides 3.
So 2 in the front, 2 in the back.
And they go upside down like this.
Yeah.
So you just
be careful and don't rip your foam. And
then we're just gonna leave it loose.
Yeah.
Because we don't have a clue as to where exactly they're gonna go. But go down over the foam and then boom. You see what I'm doing?
Fantastic.
Over the foam and then slide it. We're gonna try to keep the foam intact as much as possible.
That's some good stuff. I want to know where they got it. I want to get some of that. That could solve some vibrations.
You know, for your house, door seals.
Yeah, it's good stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and get those on. We'll be right back, and I'm sure at the next point we'll probably be throwing this thing on. All right, so we got the clamps on. He's throwing the roof up there. Oh, the garage door cord is going to be the first thing to scratch it.
No, just to show everybody, this metal bracket does hold it together quite well. So if you're doing this by yourself, don't get too squeamish, or do whatever.
Now that that's up there, we just got to position all those mounts underneath all those holes, and then we can start bolting her down. Okay, so we got everything bolted up. I'm going to tell you right now, you can probably do it by yourself. I highly suggest getting a friend. Have them stand in the bed with a screwdriver while they push down on the screw from the top, because your screws drop down from the top, then you put your bolts on. Those clamps are about a pain. The side ones are not bad. The bolts are longer. The ones in the front and the back are shorter bolts. So make sure you pay attention when you put those in. You get the shorter bolts for the front and the back. Side ones we could do by ourselves. Front ones needed help. So, and we just took them down until the clamps, touched or got close, and figured that was good. They're nice and solid and tight. We didn't take it down to where you just couldn't turn it anymore. Just till the clamps about touched, there's where we stopped on all of them. So, with that being said, that is the tinted roof from Super ATV. I will put a link in the description below. It will be through Amazon, but it'll get you to that roof.
It's sold by Super ATV, fulfilled by Amazon.
Yeah, so there will be a link. Click that down below. Get you that roof. It's nice and solid. He can see through the top. Might even sunburn his head. I don't know.
I might need something.
I can shave my head. But anyways. Make sure you subscribe, click that like button, share the video,
comment
a few hundred times or something.
Yeah,
helps out. Thanks. Bye. See you guys next time.